Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is just a quick tip on how to easily organize magazines in your gun safe with this magnetic tool holder. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I've just taken that magnetic tool holder and I've mounted it under the top shelf of my safe here. And what that allows me to do is I used to just store my magazines up on top here, and it'd get in the way of putting other things on the top of the shelf. You know, want to put another pistol rack up there, if you wanted to lay pistols or anything like that on the top rack, it just really gets in the way. So I've taken that magnetic tool holder, mounted it up underneath there, and that allows you to put your magazines right underneath there. Easy, quick access way to get to them, and it's strong enough to hold up this is a full 19 round mag along with several others, so it'll work for, I got a bodyguard magazine there, so that's a steel bodyguard magazine. There's a polymer Glock magazine that's loaded, and that holds it just fine. Hopefully this is a quick tip you find useful. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel for other useful videos like these. And don't forget to ask yourself, what have you done to secure your Dynasty today? Thanks.